Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two real estate apps. First one is Zillow and the second one is Realtor.com. We will go through some pros and cons, and I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other. Well, let's start with the Zillow. Zillow Group, well, as the most visited real estate website in the United States, Zillow and its affiliates offer customers an on-demand experience for selling, buying, renting, and financing with transparency and nearly seamless end-to-end service. Zillow offers buys and sells homes directly in dozens of markets across the country, allowing sellers control over their timeline. Zillow Home Loans, our affiliate lender, provides customers with an easy option to get a pre-approved and secure financing for the next home purchase. Zillow recently launched Zillow Homes Incorporation, a licensed brokerage entity to streamline Zillow offers transactions. At Zillow, it's very easy to actually buy a house or find the house for sales. You can go by basically visiting the sites that you can or places where you want to buy houses. For example, you can check the Utah or Minnesota. And straight away you see where you can buy your new house or the house or your land. Straight away easy access to basically everything. You either cross over or you either run your mouse over the red dot and it will show you the basic pictures of the house. They are for sale. Also, you can upload the photos, you can upload all the documents that you want or that you need. If you want to go with this house or you don't want to, or on the right side of your screen you can scroll around the houses and then it will shine on the screen where they are located. So as you can see, there's only land, small house, and etc. You can also rent or sell your houses. They are trustworthy because they're pretty popular. Realtor.com is also very often visited site for real estate, and straight away you can check the city. Start with let's go with Paris, Kentucky, Texas, let's go with Illinois, and straight away you can see all the houses for sale on Illinois. This is a really big one, and all the information you need to basically decide if you want to visit or invest time into this house or looking forward to it. But sadly it's only like one photo, but you can easily schedule a tour and stuff like that. So which one is better? Well, in early 2021 Zillow had 221 million monthly unique users on its site. In comparison, Realtor had 86 million monthly unique users in 2020. With both sites getting so much traffic, they are both fantastic source of leads that you can incorporate into your lead generation strategy. But which one is best? Overall, Zillow is slightly better than Realtor. Because the platform gets more traffic, you will naturally get more exposure and engagement. In addition, Zillow has a wider variety of listings compared to Realtor. While Realtor.com only uses listings submitted by agents to the MLS, Zillow also includes FSBO listings on their site. But ultimately, the answer to the Zillow versus Realtor debate will depend on your unique situation. For example, if you are newer agent and don't have a large budget to work with, Realtor might be a better fit for you. Or if you're a brand new agent, just getting started on Zillow, it probably won't be a good idea to become a premier agent because your profile likely won't have many reviews. With no reviews, it will be hard to convince buyers to, well, work with you. Same goes if you are selling or trying to buy. Zillow is just bigger, so if you need something more personal, let's go with Realtor. If you have any more questions about these two, I strongly recommend leaving a comment underneath these videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Have a great day.